Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play old Terraria versions. Many players enjoy revisiting classic game states for nostalgia or specific content. We will cover the essential steps to get you started, ensuring a smooth experience. This guide will help you navigate the process of setting up older game files and managing your installations. Get ready to dive back into the Terraria you remember, perhaps from several years ago, with ease and confidence. Finding older Terraria versions requires careful searching. You'll want to look for trusted community archives or official developer resources that host past updates. Always ensure the files you download are legitimate and free from malicious software. Before installing anything, it's a smart move to create a backup of your current Terraria installation. This precaution helps prevent any data loss and allows you to easily revert if needed, keeping your progress safe. Once you have your desired older game files, setting up your environment is next. It's highly recommended to create separate installation folders for each Terraria version you wish to play. This prevents file corruption and ensures each version runs independently. You might need to adjust compatibility settings on your operating system for very old builds. Sometimes, older versions require specific runtime libraries, so be prepared for minor troubleshooting to get everything working perfectly. With everything set up, you are ready to launch your chosen older Terraria version. If you encounter any issues, such as the game not starting or unexpected crashes, check your installation path and compatibility settings first. Many community forums offer extensive guides and solutions for common problems related to specific older builds. Don't hesitate to search for advice there. Soon, you'll be enjoying the unique gameplay and features that made those past Terraria updates so memorable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.